I'm Jackie Walker from Remax Success, and I'd love to welcome you to this beautiful, stunning, brand new designer unit complex at 43 Hoey Street in Kearneys. You're going to love what you see here. We've got 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, double garage, through to 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and single garage, plus 3 toilets in the back one, all low set. These are absolutely stunning. Come inside and have a look through. So this is the front unit, unit 1, and you go up a couple of little steps or drive through into your garage, and you'll have an absolutely stunning open plan lounge, dining and kitchen. This is so beautifully light and bright, all white, and is such a good use of space, very large indeed. I just love the northeast facing entertainment area as well, capturing that morning sun, that beautiful winter warmth that we all need now that the cooler weather has hit us. This is a fantastic design with the master bedroom set away from the other 2 bedrooms. The master bedroom is at the front of the unit, and it has beautiful, spacious, and is light and bright. You've got the reverse cycle air conditioning, the ceiling fans, a big wardrobe, plus the stunning ensuite. And then right down the other end of the unit, set well apart, is the other 2 bedrooms. Now this is a fantastic design. You also have a study area, large cupboards. So the 2 bedrooms are all built in with ceiling fans. Second bedroom, 3rd bedroom, which is good, and of course the main bathroom right near these 2 bedrooms with a bath, shower and vanity, and then of course the separate toilet. What a fantastic design. And of course you do have a very large double garage, which is fantastic. Through here, can't walk on it. And it's got the laundry in the garage as well. Lots of storage here, absolutely stunning. You're just going to love this unit complex. There is 5 units in the complex, so we have this gorgeous one that we've just walked through, along with unit 2 and 3, which are 2 bed, 2 bath, and single garage, and unit 4 is the same, but unit 5 is an absolute masterpiece, and all these units are low set. So unit 5 has got 3 bathrooms. You're just going to love them. Please give me a call and make a private inspection, or any time to suit you, we'll show you through.